Hello and welcome you once again in this new session of history. And today we are going to read about the question answers and the book work of your chapter number 2, Life of Man Through the Stone Age. Your first question is differentiate between the food gatherer and food producers. Food gatherers, one who moves from place to place in search of foods, are known as the food gatherers, like primitive man. And food producers, one who settled down at one place and does farming and could store more foods than their needs, are like a modern people called food producers. Write a short note on Paleolithic period, draw tools of Old Stone Age, Neolithic period, draw pot, and Mesolithic period, draw tools. The answer is Paleolithic age. It is known as the Old Stone Age also, period of history before 250,000 BC when man began to live in a caves. They wore skins, leaves and used crude tools and weapons to hurt animals is known as Paleolithic Age. Fire was discovered during this age. Now you draw a tool from page number 12. Mesolithic age is also known as a new middle stone age. Mesolithic age or a middle stone age began towards the end of the Paleolithic age when man moved closer to water sources like rivers and lakes. Man was still essentially a hunter and food gatherer. His tools and weapons, however, had improved. Example given, new materials like bone, horn, etc. were used apart from the chipped stones tools. Man made smaller tools which are known as a microlith. Some of them were fixed on the wood or bone and used as a spears, bows and arrows. Towards the end of the Mesolithic age, man learned to grow crop. Now draw tools of page number 12. Neolithic age or a period dated between 25,000 to 10,000 BC is called Neolithic age or New Stone Age. Here man's nomadic life ended. He became a food producer and did farming, taming of animals and wearing clothes. Man began to live in society and on banks of rivers, thus starting the age of civilization. Wheel was invented during this period. Now you draw a pot here from page number 6. Now write about the use of metals in Chalcolithic age. Use of metals in Chalcolithic age. The early man discovered the use of copper metal with copper metal in the beginning, and then it was mixed with zinc, tin or lead and an alloy was made. It was known as bronze. Though stone tools also continued to be in use, this period when humans used metals and small pieces of stone, it is called a Chalcolithic age. Discovery of wheels and its uses. The discovery of wheels by the human beings was a landmark in a human development. The wheel had been used for many diverse purposes by the humans. They use it to draw water from wells in the form of pulley, for spinning of the reed and making cloth in the form of the spinning wheel. It was known as a charkha, and it makes pottery in the form of potter wheels, and of course the greatest use of wheel was in case of transportations. Now see, religious practice by the people of the Copper or the Chalcolithic age. During the Chalcolithic age, people started the worship of nature, objects like sun, moon and the earth. The earth assumed to the status of a mother figure which provided food for the children. Then man started worshipping all the mysterious objects of the nature, the moon, the sun, etc. They started sacrificing and rites and sang song in praise of these objects. They began to follow the practices of making grave, burying their dead. They covered grave with large stone called megaliths. Large stones were known as megaliths. And now we will move to our bookwork. The first one is the Paleolithic man lived in a hunter-gatherer and led a nomadic life. Man discovered fire and considered the most important event of the Old Paleolithic Stone Age. The Mesolithic or the Middle Stone Age are very short. The invention of wheel changed the life of a man forever. Copper was the first metal and of the Chalcolithic age. Now match the following. Paleolithic age. Variety of stones for weapons. Mesolithic age, beginning of the agriculture. Bronze, alloy of copper and tin. Pot making, wheel. Now true and false. The continent of Africa is cited as the first home of the humans is true. Mesolithic tools are called a metals, no. Small tools, it's a false. Early man grow corn, wheat, millets, yes, true. There was no improvement in the man's life in the Neolithic age, no, it's a false. A lot of improvement was there, and the Bronze Age began during the Indus Valley civilization, yes, it is true. So that's all for today's session. We will meet in our next session with a new topic. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.